Okay, so we're going to look at a couple of example problems, and then when we're done working them, we're going to glue them in our journal so you can look back at them as a reference. So we're doing these together. You have your pencil in your hand, you're following along, working them out with me. The more you practice, the better you will be. So let's look at number 1. You also have that other note page that we just glued in. When I want to find mean, median, mode, or range, it's always a good idea just go ahead and put your numbers in order, since you have to do that for median anyway. So start in order. I always do least to greatest. We had over 1, and I always mark them off so I don't accidentally leave one or double up. The next number in order, 2, 4, a 5, another 5, 6, 6, and then an 8 and an 8. All right, so it looks like I got all my numbers. They're in order from least to greatest, and that will help me out later on. Now the mean, remember the mean, another way is average, like when you average your grade. So the first thing to find the mean is we add them all up. So I'm going to let you over here on the side add them up. I know 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 12, plus another 10, 4, 2, and 1. Add it up on the side, see what we get. You should have gotten 45. Now remember, after you add them all up, then you need to divide by how many numbers we have in our set. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 numbers in our set, and we should know 45 divided by 9 is 5. So our mean or our average is 5. Median, remember median's the middle. We already have them in order, so we're good to go. Start at your ends, work your way towards the middle. You can use your finger, cross them out with your pen. The number that's left in the middle is 5, so 5 is our median. Mode is there the most. Now, I see 2 5s, 2 6s, and 2 8s. So they all tied, so our mode is 5, 6, and 8. Remember, you could also have no mode. And then range is our biggest minus our smallest. So we already have our numbers in order, so it's easy to see our greatest number is 8, the least is 1, and we know the difference between 8 minus 1 is 7. Our range is 7. All right, let's look at number 2. Same thing, let's just go ahead and put them in order. 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Mean is what they want us to find first, so to add them all up together, 5, 10, 15, plus 10, should get 25. And then we have to divide by how many numbers did they give us. There's 5 numbers, and we know 25 divided by 5 is 5. So our mean is 5 again. Median is our middle, so start at the ends, work your way towards the middle. Looks like 5 is in the middle again. The median is 5 for this one as well. Mode, which one do we see most? Well, that's pretty obvious. There's a lot of 5s. 5 is our mode. Range, biggest minus smallest. They're in order. They're easy to find. The difference between 6 and 4 is 2. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. Here's our number set. First thing we're going to do is put them in order, so it's better for us in the long run. Our first one, 1, 3, a 4, another 4, 7, 7, and 9. Finding the mean or finding the average, add them all up and see what we get. You get 35. Now we have to divide by how many numbers are in our set. There's 7 of them. 35 divided by 7 Gives us 5 again. Median is the middle, so start at your ends, work your way towards the middle. Our median is 4, because that was our middle number. What number do you see the most for mode? It looks like we have a tie again. So 4 and 7. Range, our biggest minus our smallest. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now there's 2 left. You can go ahead, finish those 2 on your own, and then go ahead and glue this in your journal as well.